This Manginas,
Mangina.
your physically unsound ideologies, basically excuses you make for your lazy, bang idle, layabout lifestyles. Running at capitalism and the fruits of men who work hard. You're just unsuccessful. Here I am.
Here you are.
I'm fun.
You gonna say anything?
Enjoying myself like a...
Okay. How do you respond to this? I know.